right? So there's this problem in the PR field where the client will say, this is newsworthy, and put it out. And more PR practitioners need to provide pushback and say, no, it's not. So like they have to provide that lens of the reporter. And if you look at PR firms or publicists and sort of, if there's one line of how you could differentiate them, there's the ones that push back with clients and there's the ones that aren't. And the ones that push back, I would argue, get more hits for people because they're thinking like reporters. And that's why you see so many people in the PR industry today who are former producers, former journalists, really have an understanding of how a newsroom works. And so one thing I'll add here is that, for example, my experience and background, I wrote for Observer for over 2 years as a columnist for them. I understood that process back and forth of what it took to write and being on the other end of pitches. That's an invaluable experience for me to have. I've done over 100 national TV segments and been in a breaking newsroom and environment for all of that. I understand how quickly that works, the pace that it works, and how those pitches look from the other end when they're looking for guests. And so, again, that's just invaluable experience that is really relevant. And I think more PR professionals sort of need to have that training in order to provide the best guidance to their clients.